Hello, my name's Chelsea with McFarland Prairie Real Estate, and today we're here in Haystack Heights in the South Perry neighborhood, taking a look at this amazing 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Let's go inside. Nestled in Spokane's South Perry neighborhood, Haystack Heights offers a unique opportunity to join a collaborative, intergenerational community that blends modern privacy with vibrant, intentional living. Welcome to the Garden Loft, a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, top-floor retreat in Spokane's innovative Haystack Heights Cohousing community, offering breathtaking views from every window, private decks, spacious open floor plan, and high-end appliances. This is sustainable luxury at its finest. Gather for meals in the 3,000 square foot common house featuring a gourmet kitchen, cozy social spaces, pool and ping pong table, and 2 guest rooms. Borrow kayaks, bikes, or camping gear, explore the kid-friendly play areas, or unwind in the meditation hut. Enjoy 3 acres of shared amenities, including organic gardens, a greenhouse, chicken coop, gym, EV charging station, solar panels, and a fully stocked 800 square foot workshop. Included with your HOA dues, you get electricity, water, sewer, garbage, recycling, internet, TV, premium channels, and access to all of the amenities here. Thank you so much for taking a minute to check in with this tour today. If you have any questions or you want to set up your own showing, we would love to help you out with that. Till next time.